Hey everybody, it's Springboard Trap and welcome back to another video. This is the third time I had to say that today. For context, yesterday I tried to upload a video, didn't work, sound wasn't working, and I learned that, you could kill the nightmare animatronics. They were updated, because in the first video I ever made on Gary's mod, they were broken, but I think they got updated to now where they work. That's nice. The last video was gonna be about, me trying to kill a Springtrap again. I think he's invincible, but you never know. Trying to kill him. But, during then, I was on this map where, it has a train, and with the other trains coming by, you can run the nightmare animatronics over and they'll actually die even though they're next spots. Before we get into that map, I just want to show you guys, since I know you already saw it either in the first video and like right now, but I'm just going to show you guys the next spots. There's an instant kill. Here are all the next bots for the nightmares. Actually, let me just spawn them all down here. I am pretty much tired. I've been trying to record this for a while now. It's not been working. Here they all are. I'm just gonna. Wait, why did I spawn Fred? Rather just spawn. Here's each and every single one of them. Nightmare is much fat. Most of them are pretty much fast. Except Freddy. Freddy is not that fast. Oh, wait. Help me. Here they all are. They're getting stuck on each other. I'm gonna throw in Springtrap for the reason. I'm gonna show you that these guys are. You know what? I'll even throw in. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the right. That's not the right. With it flying, I'll throw in, just to show you guys that the nightmare animatronics are not invincible, I'm going to be sending down a nuke. I know, I tried this before and the other one, didn't work, but, against Springtrap at least. Stopped. Who survived and who did not? See, all of them survived, and the nightmare animatronics. Ooh, would you look at that? Yes, they. When I found out the last time I tried making. Oh, right, you survived. Out of here. Anyway, this is not the point of the video. The video is to run nightmare animatronics over with a train. And the way we're gonna do that is if we go here, start new game, train ride. Yeah, it's fine. And I tried this with Springtrap in the video that was supposed to come out. for these big bucks. Massive. I'm just checking to see if there's anything in here. I know. Yeah, okay, we're gonna just. By the way, if you touch the ground, you're done for. So I'm gonna go far up. Entities, no. By the way, it continues moving you no matter what. Oh, let's start with, Foxy. Alright, Foxy, must be done. You can just stay on the... Oh, there we go. I'm try and stick with this train just because I don't think you could run them over because I tried. I don't think I could run them over with Next up, Nightmare Bonnie. Ugh, sorry. Bye, Bonnie. Sorry, little one. I must do it. Oh, the train's coming. Sadly, there 8 corpses. Yes. Okay, I think this train is. Did I just summon him? No reason to do that. Oh, and there goes the train. I have... Oh, who should we do next? So you. I have no clue what the rags are. Sweet dog. Damn it. Come on, I need to hit the animatronics with the train. Train right there. Try and get a collection of them. I'm ready. I think we already did you, but I want a collection on my train. No, they disappeared. Okay, well, look at Nightmare. Nightmare is the one that's always giving me the creeps in FNAF 4. That all of them do, actually, so. Watch out. Run! Run, Nightmare! Why are you going back? Flush trap. Running. Oh, he's running from the train. Oh, never mind. He's around. I thought he was out. I didn't shoot him. That's the funny thing about it. I didn't even shoot him. There they all go. Fine. Just have a whole bunch of them. Just wait to see what happens. What happened? How did they die? They did not. I don't know how they're dying unless they... I don't know how these some of them are dying, but whatever. I have no clue where our trainers went, by the way. Oh, there's our train. Oh, wait a minute. Where am I going? Oh my God. Just wait for the one train that comes down. Oh, one train that comes down this lane just to absolutely wreck them. So, guys. Gotta be a train going down this way. I just want to just wreck all of them. Oh! Hell no! No survivors! There was one flush trap left. Ouch. I think these trains here are a lot slow. Like I said, I already was trying to do it for today, and I tried to stop the damn train. What if Bonnie can also stop a train? Toy animatronics. Purple guy, I think is completely fine. Wrong angle. Puppet, stop that, please. Yeah, no, all of them can stop a train. Except for the Nightmare. What about Fox? What about these guys? Yes, they Foxy is coming up here. No! Get off the train. By the way, if you touch the ground... What if we were to just... Oh, this gives me a good idea. This just gave me a good idea. A wonderful idea. Can I lock a nightmare? Can I lock one of them in here? That's fine. Can I lock Freddy in there? Yo, no, I don't need to be stuck. What could I lock? I should have closed the door. Where's Foxy spawning out there? She does also spawn. Wait a minute, can I detach the train? That would be cool if I could. Let's go outside the map. And oh, I checked the system. You can do now, huh? I'm trying to get. I don't know why Fox is broken like that. Mango can't do that.
Hi.
No way! Oh, take that, Freddy. What's our response box? What? Oh, you wanna know why? They're supposed to be combined, so the friendly Foxies are supposed to be ready. I know why. It's random, I think. Yeah, because Foxy's supposed to be a citizen, so it's supposed to be like, I know why he's... So, citizen, where's the citizen? They can be anybody. Woman or man, so I think it's like, because the Foxy, the evil Foxy is supposed to be, a combine, so... Okay, so hard to have... What you doing? It sounds like... If I had to spawn you, and I were to spawn, where did you... Take Foxy. Take him. I think he... See, because... So I think it's just random for the noises he make, or his gender, which is odd, but... That's only what I'm thinking right now. I'm unsure, but... Here, hold on, if I spawn, I'm just gonna go, Friendly Foxy, enemies, Is it really gonna take more of you? Okay, you know what, instead? I'm trying to hear what Foxy's going off topic of the video, but I'm curious now. Goodbye. Okay, I can't tell with that, but if I just spawn 1, 2, 3, spawn 3 of you, and in here I will spawn a, I know this is off topic of the video, but now I'm curious if I'm right or not. Different. So it's just random for the voices. Ooh, another train. You know why? I know we were supposed to be destroying nightmares, but oh. Yeah, that's why he sounds like a combine. You got, if you ever played Half-Life 3, or no, I said Half-Life 3, now, please, Valve. Half-Life 2, you'll know what these enemies are. I mean, you could just read them here, but you'll know. That one's annoying, and the poison hate crabs are annoying as well. If you ever played Half-Life 2. I said Half-Life 3, I wish there was a Half-Life 3. Poison zombie as well. Ragdoll killed. Where is G-Man or whatever? Who is it? G-Man. Can you survive a train? He can survive a train. Invincible. This is getting off topic. Okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be on topic. It's just... I think I'm going to set up the biggest blockade ever of animatronics without getting hurt. I'm going to stay far back because I know this is going to lag. Goodbye, little ones. Watch out. Oh, there they are. Who's still screaming over? Hello? It was a Nightmare Fredbear. Odd. Didn't realize he survived. There was one survivor out of that. Okay, this is like 25 minutes of me just running over animatronics with a train. I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm just gonna, just gonna real quick before I, lock the door real quick because he is out there. I know I said him out there, but yeah, he can't get in. Okay, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I'm hoping this goes up. If this does not go up, I may just put it up anyways if the sound doesn't work, and I'll leave a comment, or something in the description saying how the sound didn't work and just explaining it. Also, I saw the new, Funko, action figures and plushies, so possibly expect a video, of me reviewing them and my opinion on them. They look pretty good, and I'm sure they are good. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.